Mafatlal Industries is typically a textile industry and an 115-year-old organization. We still follow the meet and greet kind of pattern. Technology now is changing the shape of retail industry, starting our presence into the e-commerce sector. Technology definitely is now becoming a part of Mafatlal Industries mainstream as well. We have now transformed ourselves or moved from the legacy applications into SAP HANA as our main ERP segment, using the latest technologies of SD-WAN to have our connectivity across our manufacturing sites, offices, branch offices, and everything. We are using the latest AI, ML based endpoint protections, the latest technology of email protection, and latest next generation firewalls into place. So definitely we are moving ahead with the times as of now. Right from everything, we started about 3 years back, ripped apart everything that was there in place and put in new systems and processes in place, starting with Active Directory, moving from changing of endpoint computing devices of all desktops, laptops, restructuring our entire connectivity portfolio across the country wherever we had presence, strengthening our connectivity options with higher bandwidths, putting SD-WANs into place, getting more robust solutions into place. So it's been a major revamp across. It's not tangible, I could say. Benefits have been extremely huge. Like if you asked about connectivity, we adopted SD-WAN technology very early when nobody had started adopting it in India. This helped us save an entire redundant old ways of having a secondary connections. That's 100% kind of saving. Strengthening our information security systems helped us safeguard our data and companies' money in terms of any kind of attack. There has been no other incidents since the last 3 years. In terms of connectivity, we also have units or manufacturing site which is very remote in nature, and being remote kind of puts us in a place where the connectivity is very weak or less or kind of thing. So there were frequent disconnections and connectivity which would hamper our operations. Now with SD-WAN as a technology, it has come, and there have been instances there was no connectivity in one of the primary lines, say maybe a day or two, but nobody in the organization or that site realized that there was a disconnection, because SD-WAN would couple it up and kind of boost up the connectivity speed and help them do their processes in general. ROI is too much high on it, and it definitely helps us even today. We have changed our ways from book and paper organization to a highly digital, getting SAP HANA, moving on to the e-commerce segment. We did not have passwords or anything when we started off the digital transformation. Today we are using single sign-on technologies to maximum of them. We have changed our HR solutionings for across, helping the employees to gain much more insights into their own collaboration or their own ways of looking at things in the organization. We have got intranet sites and etc. This digital transformation, which we started about 3 years back, helped us gain advantage and move our systems into the latest technology trends like adoption of clouds, getting the latest next generation firewalls as a VPN. When the crisis started, we were as like the emails were business as usual. So it was nothing that stopped the email had to be configured on something or else, and then there was a separate configuration required. People who had actually their data on the cloud were seamless. They could start work the next day. CIOs are going to play a major role, and they definitely need to think not today but tomorrow. They need to look at solutions and start adopting cloud. They should look at ways of minimizing the capex invest and putting more on the operational cost and surging ahead in this times of technology. Because of their initiatives, and organizations were able to actually stand up to these times and run business for some, at least in some momentum. CIOs should be able to give them an insights into everyone's need. Client would be interested in knowing where his order is, where is it processed, which part of the stage it is. Coming to employees, a strong HR-based solutions would definitely help them understand themselves better in the organization. These times, communication and collaboration is going to be a challenge. Getting more collaborative tools and easy to use ones should be a great focus. So people should be able to communicate and collaborate very easily amongst themselves.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.